The world is busy in making children competitive and run the rat race, caring very little about building positivity. But how should one reduce this self-created stress? Here comes a revolutionary app from Team Positivity that takes care of balancing life for children in a far better way. Watch out for this.
So what happened was that we had one free kick, one shot to win it all. And I took it. I took the free kick. I channeled all my power in that free kick. And when he saved it, I always had that little grudge against him. That you saved kya isne? You're just one goal away from our victory. And that's where it all started. Hi, I'm Shlok Jain.
Hello, I'm Priyanshu Raval. We're Team Positivity and we study at DG Khaitan International School. As being students, we have this whole pressure built on us कि पढ़ाई करनी है, स्कूल में मार्क्स लेके आने हैं, पर academically भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा. और उसके बाद parents are like, not studies are everything, life भी जीना पड़ता है. So there's a lot of apprehension and pressure built on us, which made us come to this idea, Positivity, your own very personalized safe place where a teen can be themselves, a young adult can open up, be happy and joyful.
The idea is almost anything related to mental health. Helping teenagers face their issues, anxiety, stress, anything, helping them vent, helping them be true to themselves.
We realize that there is a lot of issues that are unanswered, that people avoid at times. Mental health is an aspect that people don't actually bother about. They all want to be physically fit, but mental health is equally important. A student has a lot of pressure built. I want to talk to someone, but I don't have a lot of friends. I want people to hear me out, but who do I go to? Thus, when you're sad, Positivity A gives you the feature of venting out whatever you want to. Write down how you're feeling, how was your day. Like just a caring father, it is going to be there for you. So I can go to my diaries feature, journals feature, wherein I can write down how my day was, what memories I'd like to cherish via my memory feature. I can plan how I want my week to go with the weekly goal grid that Positivity provides you with.
So the impact we offer to our audience is one with a lot of character. What we do is that we help teenagers go through their issues. But what's the catch for us? Well, we have a revenue model which is freemium based, where we keep our core features free and the high exclusive ones at cost.
It's been around a year that we've been working on this app and we have proceeded a lot. We have come up with a beta version that is to be sent out to focus groups to be tested. We want to know how people feel about this idea. We want to gather information on how we can be better and how we can give better to the people.
It's only for us. It's only encouraging the kids. So the rest of the things are done by them on their own.
He started from very below, but right now he is wonderful at designing and he's wonderful at making apps, and I can see the result of hard work and the effort that he puts in.
There have been many platforms for students who have good music skills, dancing skills, but nothing as far as entrepreneur skills are concerned, wherein IFT gives an amazing platform to students, wherein that spark of the child is actually out.
आप अगर कैपेबल हो तो अपॉर्चुनिटी खुद आएगी आपके पास.
So the idea that got selected rather to the next level now, I would love to talk about that. The team was very enthusiastic, so was doing some amazing kind of a work on ground and had understanding of what it really requires to be an entrepreneur and to run a business. I think these are the basics or the fundamentals of any businesses, and based on that they have created apps as well earlier.
I might be from Gen Z, but I am planning to plant the seed of happiness for my next generation.
I've often heard that the future holds it all for us. So may it be sad or happy, it always ends with positivity.
Inspired by the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to make education inclusive, here is someone who cares to think of agonies of mute people while communicating. How two school-going children come up with transformational ideas of converting sign language into speech will surely make you go speechless. Presenting Team Saksham.
When we first met in the lab, we were complete strangers to each other. We had never met each other before. As time passed, we mended in and became friends. And day after day, our bond grew stronger and stronger. Over the course of time, we were best friends. We learned a lot from each other, and with each other, we learned how to work under the pressure of time, work more effectively and efficiently over time, and we had saw the transition of our friendship over the course of time.
My name is Disha Bansal.
And my name is Himansha.
We are from Ananiketan Maninagar, Ahmedabad. This is our prototype Saksham, a hand-taught glove for the differently abled, which could be an effective communication tool for the disabled in the near future. In a country with over 28 national languages, Jyoti Prajapati was born deaf and dumb. Her story is the reason behind us working on the project. As per the census of 2011, out of all the disabled people in India, 19% have the disability of hearing and speaking.
In our prototype Saksham, we have two parts, a transmitter section and a receiver section. In the transmitter section, there are flex sensors which work on the principle of resistance. When a flex sensor bends, it sends the value of resistance to a microcontroller Arduino Uno. The resistance value gets processed and gets converted in the form of binary language. That binary method is then transferred to the receiver part by the help of a Bluetooth module HC05.
Sign language is a method to convey the thoughts of deaf and dumb people. Our prototype is more reliable and helpful. Out of all the disabled people in India, 18 million people have the disability of hearing and speaking. We wish to bring smiles to those 18 million faces. A science teacher taught us, education is about bringing solutions to the problem around us. So if we could help a few deaf and dumb people communicate their feelings to their loved ones, we'll feel blessed.
उसको पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है, पर मैं चाहती हूँ ये बाहर की दुनिया देखे, बाहर का कुछ करे। मेरे को ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई पढ़ाई में रहे। ये मेरी और दिशा की बिल्कुल नहीं बनती है, क्योंकि वो पढ़ती रहती है और मेरे को घूमने का भी शौक है, तो मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि वो घूमे भी और पढ़े भी।
I've always seen him as my little brother. We tease each other every time we meet, but we never take those things seriously.
Indian Future Tycoon provides a very good platform for such a good entrepreneurship, and it provides a good dreams come true for Himay. That is what I can see.
और हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया करना है उसको, ऑलवेज लैपटॉप पर कुछ ना कुछ नया करता रहता है और जितने भी फ्री में सीख सकता है, वो कोडिंग है या कोई भी कुछ भी, तो वो ऑलवेज रेडी होता है।
I personally believe that God has a way for everything, and He has a person who would come up with that kind of idea where the need is there. So this is where my students have come up with such an idea, and I'm really proud of them.
This project was not something that succeeded fortnight. It has been a journey of months where we have learned perseverance, learned to do more hard work, and more importantly, learn from the failures. I still remember that picture of Himesha sleeping with his project, late night, tired after working for a long hours. I believe it is these kids like Himesha and Disha Bansal and others who have got a wonderful platform of IFT who would actually take care of the country in the near future.
Disha and Himay, they have come up with a fantastic product. Not even an idea, it's gone much beyond an idea. They almost have a prototype. Here is one team that is not only just stopped at the product innovation phase. They have actually gone ahead, figured out the costing part of it. How much are they going to sell it for? This is exactly what is expected when you're talking about entrepreneurship. These are young students and they have put in a tremendous amount of efforts to actually make a product that is going to solve a real big problem.
IFT Hausla Buland.